Si Pulong, humihingi ng travel authority to travel to 17 countries for a duration of 2 months. Pwede ba yon? Totoo that every person has a constitutional right to travel. Pero dapat natin tandaan na hindi ordinary citizen si Pulong. Congressman siya, public official. Ang rule is that every public official may be granted permission to travel abroad. Pero dapat reasonable ito. Reasonable ba ang request ni Pulong? 17 countries in 2 months? Bakit kailangan ganun katagal? At ganun kadaming countries? At bakit ngayon? Remember ha, Congress is in session. Ito ang panahon na dapat nagtatrabaho siya, hindi nagliliwaliw. Binabayaran siya ng publiko para magtrabaho, hindi para magpakasarap at mag-travel. The House rules allow travel kung justified at kung hindi nakakasagabal sa trabaho. Pero kung ang congressman nag-leave for 67 days across multiple time zones for purely personal reasons, mukhang hindi yata reasonable yan di ba? Article 11, Section 1 of the Constitution is very clear. Public office is a public trust. Public officers must at all times be accountable to the people. Ang keyword dito, at all times. Pag ang isang congressman umalis sa bansa for more than 2 months during active session days, during important hearings, and during a time na sobrang daming national concerns, nasaan ang accountability dyan? Pag tumakbo ka bilang congressman, you sign up for full-time duty to face your constituents, to attend deliberations, to vote on national policy, and be physically present when the country needs you. A congressman is supposed to be a representative of the people. How can you represent the people when you're not even in the Philippines, di ba? Ang bottom line dito, pwedeng i-deny ng Speaker of the House ang request ni Pulong para mag-world tour. At dapat talaga i-deny ito. Magpapakasarap siya sa buhay habang ang daming issues dito sa bansa. Please listen to my band, Hey Moonshine. Follow nyo kami sa Spotify at sa Facebook.